Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna show you guys some family mail. This is actually two, I believe, different family mails, but it's from the same person. So if you guys want to see who that is and what I got, then stick around. Okay guys, welcome back. No, I am not wearing the same clothes as yesterday. I am actually filming 2 videos today because I know that tomorrow I'm going to be really busy and I'm not going to be able to film, so I just figured I'd do 2 in a row. I don't usually do this. But okay, anyway, today I got mail. Actually, I didn't get it today. I got it a couple days ago from Nicole. Nicole is like one of my best friends on YouTube. She is super sweet and like I just love her to death. She is super thoughtful, and I got one package from her and I don't know where the actual envelope is for that. Actually, I do. No, I don't. But anyway, I'm going to show you what was in that and what was in this. I can't remember. Well, I do remember it was this. Okay, we'll just do this one first. So I got this in the mail. She sent me some stuff from Sephora. And what she sent me from Sephora was... Okay. She sent me the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce. This stuff is like freaking amazing. So I'm going to be trying it tomorrow. Tonight I actually filmed my skincare routine, so I just used the stuff that I normally use, but I am so anxious to try this. And this stuff is very expensive. It's like $69, so it was really cool to be able to try it out first, which is crazy because she did not know that I wanted to try this until after she had already like ordered it for me, which is crazy. Like, it's just crazy. And the other thing that she sent me was the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, because she knows I love this stuff. She's so sweet and like so thoughtful. And in that I also got a sample of Perfecting Moisturizer, and I also got this, I don't know, it just says Youth Waterly Oil. I don't know what exactly this is. And then I also got the Makeup Forever primer. I'm kind of anxious to try that. I've been like overwhelmed in primers lately, which is good. It's better than not having any. Anyway, that's what came in that box. And again, thank you, Nicole. You are the best. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you the card that came in the other packages she sent me. It has this on the front. I'm guessing that that's her and that's me. I'm guessing. Not quite sure. She just wrote that she hopes I'm having an awesome day, and that she found Bubby online, and that she's called a Silky Zoo, and it's a Silky Terrier and a Shih Tzu mix, and she says enjoy your mail and thanks for being a crazy friend. But on the other side of this, check that out. When I first looked at this, I said, how the hell did she get a picture of Bubby? Like, creepy. And then I really looked at it. I'm like, wait, the coloration is a little, she has more brown here and a little here and then more white. And I was like, it's kind of weird. And I'm like, oh my god. But yeah. So I showed this to my vet, and my vet said that's what they have her in as anyway, is a Silky Terrier slash Shih Tzu. So that is freaking awesome. But, okay, so let's get into what she sent me in this one. First thing is, some poopy paper. Nicole loves poop. She just loves it. She wants to talk about it all the time. She loves poop. She just wanted to share some of her poop with me, I guess. Thank you, Nicole. She also sent me this, in which I'm keeping my masks in. For someone who doesn't really do masks, boy, I've been like collecting quite a bit of them. This might not be a lot to some people, but considering I don't really do masks, this is a lot. I mean, a lot of these I picked up myself, and a lot that people have sent me. But she sent me this. Isn't that like so cute? And like I didn't have anything to put my my masks or anything in. These were just kind of sliding all over the place. I had them propped up. And this is a makeup bag, but it's like perfect for this. And that way it can sit up and I can see it all the time. It's not just put in somewhere. So anyways, I thought that was like super, super cute. And like I love it. And then she sent me a bunch. Oh, she sent me this LA Girl Pro Prep primer. It's like a dupe for like the Smashbox photo finish primer, and it kind of is. I'm gonna do a video on this versus the Smashbox, and I'm gonna do like half face, so that'd be cool. And she sent me a lot of samples, so I'm just gonna go through these here pretty quick because there's a lot of them. She sent me the Clinique Moisture Surge. I love that stuff. She sent me the Kate Somersville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. And I love Kate Somersville. And then some Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Moisturizer. And then she sent me some Multi-Action Overnight Treatment Night Cream. And then some Sky Iceland eye cream. And then she sent me again some of the Photo Finish primer in here, which is cool because I'm almost out of the little sample that Amy sent me, and I haven't gotten any more besides the one that she just got me, actually. So I guess I'm like pretty good for a little while. And the other thing that she sent me was the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Not sure exactly. This is the same thing. I mean, it's a primer, but I've never... guess this can be used in place or with your primer. So that's like really cool. And I put everything away like a thing. Oh, she sent me this because I needed one with because the spray bottle I have is in my kit. So she sent me one of these so I could have it on my actual vanity / desk. And she also sent me the It Brow Power. This thing actually, like, I like it. Like, it was kind of cool. I mean, I wouldn't buy this myself because I'm hooked on my brow wizzes, and usually I have like 3 or 4 at a time. But I've been using this because I'm always like scared to use it because it's like, it's expensive for a brow pencil. I mean, I have 1 brow definer and like 4 brow wizzes, but I'm still like, I just don't want to use it. Like, I'm just scared I'm going to run out. Like, I don't know. I just have this weird thing. But I know there's probably something else that she had sent me. And I can't think of it right now. I just can't think of it. But if I do, I will. Oh, yeah. I know what else she sent me. She also sent me the Ipsy bag with the markers that came in it. They're in there. Which is pretty darn cool because I'm going to draw like pictures of like everyone on here and like write their name on there. And it was the green and the pink ones, which is cool because I like green and pink. I think they're really pretty together. And I don't know why I stuck everything away. I don't know why I did that. But I'm sorry, Nicole, if I forgot anything. I don't think I did, but I probably did. And also, I wanted to give you guys a very quick update. But first, thank you so much, Nicole. You are super sweet. And I cannot wait for you to get your package because I just can't wait. But thank you so much. Like, you're so thoughtful. Like, I love you to death. Like, you're awesome. If you guys don't know who Nicole is, where the hell have you been? Go check her out. She's been in the card. Oh, over here. She's been in the cards. Blinking up there. Check her out. And she'll be in the description below. So please go check her out. Let her know that I sent you. And now, other thing. I want to give you guys a quick update on Bubby. I took her to the vet today because she hasn't been eating. And she just needed, like, as gross as this sounds, speaking of poopy and poopy paper, she needed her anal glands squeezed. So they said that could have been a little bit of the problem why she wasn't eating. And they also put her on some meds. They put her on a bigger dose of the Entice that she was on. This stuff is like freaking liquid gold. It's so darn expensive. It's like $21 a day, like dosage wise. And they also put her on antidepressants. Why that girl will be depressed, I don't know, because she's with me 24/7 and she's super spoiled. If you know me, you know my dog. She's always with me, like, all the time. And I don't know, but they said this can also be used as an appetite stimulant on top of that. If you've ever heard of Remeron, something like that, I guess this is it. And yeah, she has to start taking this now. But otherwise, she's like healthy. She gained 2 pounds. Like, she's not eating. I don't understand it. I think she's just being like a little brat because she wants to eat ice cream and stuff. Like, I just don't know. But anyway, that was my little update on Bubby. And that's all I really have for today. I just wanted to show you guys what I got and give you a little update. But if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that little red bell down below and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys again.